Today I am going to show you all how to make Shahi Chicken Korma at home. Please note down the ingredients. First, we need to marinate the chicken. So please note down the ingredients for the marination. Here I have approximately 750 to 800 grams of chicken, 3 to 4 onions cut into big pieces. Here 1 to 1.5 inch of ginger, 6 to 7 pieces of garlic. Then I have 20 to 25 pieces of almonds, fresh green coriander and salt. Then for the gravy we need 3-4 small onions sliced, dhania powder, 150 grams of curd, 150 grams of fresh cream. Here I have 2 bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, few cloves and few whole peppercorns, whole black kali mirch peppercorns. Then here I have few pistachios and few cashew nuts. This we need to grind into paste for the gravy. But in place of this, you can also use either almonds or poppy seeds. So you can, it is not a compulsion that you have to take cashew nuts or pistachios. I have taken both, but you can use any one of these 3. Here I have a few green cardamoms and red chili powder. We put our onion into a blender, ginger, garlic, almonds, one teaspoon salt, and we need to put a little more of, we can simply break it and put it like this, because this will give a very beautiful color to the chicken. So now with little water we can grind it into a paste. See what a beautiful color. Little bit more. We'll grind it just once more. Now our marination paste is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll rub this marination into the chicken pieces and keep it into the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours, or at least, even if we have less time, minimum for 15 to 20 minutes you must marinate and keep this in the fridge. So it will go properly inside the chicken and give very good flavor. I've applied this paste to the chicken. See what beautiful color it's got. We'll keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours for marination. So now we'll start making the gravy for the chicken. First what we'll do is we'll fry these sliced onions golden brown. So I've taken a little more oil to fry these onions, and after that we'll take out this oil, we'll strain it out. We'll fry them till they are golden brown. This onion gets golden brown, we'll make a paste of this cashew nuts and pistachios. I'll grind it into a fine paste. It is ready. We've taken it out and we've taken out the excess of oil we've taken out. Now in the same oil, we'll put 1 spoon jeera, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks and cloves and peppercorns. You can also take grounded garam masala powder if you want, but I am using whole garam masala things here. So then here goes in our green cardamom, one teaspoon chili powder, and now when it is smoky we put in our chicken. So now we'll cover it and cook it for some time. On medium heat till the excess water dries out and the chicken is little tender. Meanwhile, we'll grind these onions also to a fine paste. Now we'll see, we'll check our chicken. At this stage, we'll put little salt. Earlier we had put 1 spoon of salt while marinating it. So now we'll put 1 more and then according to your taste. 2 teaspoons of dhania powder. And then curd. It. See what nice color, and it is already giving a beautiful aroma. Mix it, and now we'll cover and cook it for another 10 to 12 minutes till the chicken is completely tender. This here chicken. See, just our chicken is ready. And lastly now, we'll put this fried onion paste. Now we'll mix this. It will add to the flavor of the chicken. Our chicken korma is now ready. We can serve this with naans, tandoori roti, lacha pranthas, according to our choice. It tastes really good. If you check it with the knife, it is almost done. Yes. Now at this stage, we'll put in the cream, and this cashew nut paste. Now we'll cover and keep it, cook it for another 5 minutes, and then the chicken will be ready. And at the end we'll add our onion, fried onion paste. Another 5 minutes to cook and it will be done. See, our Shahi Chicken Korma is ready. We can garnish it with dhania and a little bit of cream or some dry fruit also. So here, hope you all make this at home and enjoy it. Thank you.